Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now, removing paint or filler from a boat can be very difficult if you use the wrong materials. Now in this video I'm going to show you a method in 3 ways so you can decide for yourself which one is best for you. So I have a normal sander, normal sanding paper with grit 80. I have this Fiberdisc. This is a grit 24, and we have this Cleaningdisc. It's a hard material. Now these two go on your angle grinder, and this is just going on your sander. Now first let me clean up this angle grinder because it's used. Now you can see there is already one on that I've used. I'm going to change it for a new one so you can see the perfect working of this Fiberdisc. Now when you buy a set you will receive this. You can also buy spare ones, of course, and it will lock the disc with this nut on your angle grinder. Now when you're using a new disc you really have to push this down so it gets a grip. Come on. Tighten it up really good. Putting this one here. No, other way. One safety tip: if you put it away, put it on its back if it's still spinning, and don't touch the disc because you will really get hurt. Same for this one. Just be safe. Don't come anywhere near the disc with your hands. Well, now I'm working on my boat, so I'm testing the sanding machine first. It's the Bosch with the 80 grit sanding paper. Just gonna show you a little bit here so you can see for yourself what's the best for you, and I'm using it on full speed. I hope that's enough. Showing the Fiberdisc now with the grit 24 on full speed. Just a little bit. And then the Fiberdisc, which is my favorite because you can come into a lot of corners. don't want to touch that. Really gonna cut you when it's turning. Now if you want these discs, they have it at Amazon, Temu, AliExpress. Just try Google and you will find them. And the same for the Fiberdisc. Your local hardware store, Temu, AliExpress will have them. So I think now you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. Look, this one, all used to the end, a little bit too much. You have to change them earlier. Sometimes you just don't notice when you're working. Gives a lot of dust, these ones. And you can see also this one here, and the new one. I hope I helped you out to make a choice which disc you want to use for your project. I prefer these two the most, and this is for the finer work because you can easily change the sheets before you go painting or stuff. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like or give the video a hype. That's a new function in YouTube. Hype the video. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. You will get a notification for every new video. And don't forget to let a comment down below. I really appreciate that. And for now, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in next video.